y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like these kinds of videos and you want to see more, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a recipe that is perfect for meal prep. You can switch it up, make it keto. It's packed with veggies, it's easy, it's affordable, and I made it in under 20 minutes. So if you want to see the recipe and how I made this delicious meal, go ahead and keep watching. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. I have some jasmine rice. You can also make this as a lettuce wrap, so if you don't want to have rice or you're trying to do low carb, you can substitute the rice for lettuce. I have 3 cloves of garlic, some fresh ground turkey, peanuts, sugar snap peas. You can also use carrots, but I prefer sugar snap peas. I have this red curry paste, some low sodium soy sauce, sliced green onions and sliced red onion, and also a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Once my skillet is ready, I'm going to add my minced garlic and my onions. You can use whatever kind of onions you like. I just always typically gravitate towards the purple. I'm going to cook this down for about a minute. Then I'm going to add a tablespoon of the red curry paste, let that cook for about another minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the ground turkey. Now to go ahead and make the peanut sauce, you're going to take your peanut butter and add that to your soy sauce mixture and then just start whisking away. Eventually you want it to get super smooth, really liquidy and creamy. Make sure everything is mixed in really well. As I said earlier, the recipe does call for carrots, but I decided to use sugar snap peas. I like my vegetables to have a lot of crunch, so if you are like me and you want to have a little bit of crunch in your meal, add them a little bit later on. That way they don't totally cook down. Now taking the peanut sauce, I'm going to drizzle it over everything, give it a really good stir, make sure everything is coated and just dripping in this sauce because you guys, it is delicious. Then I'm going to let it cook down for about 3 to 5 more minutes and then we are all done. For my keto fam out there, another option, instead of doing a lettuce wrap, you could always substitute the rice for cauliflower rice or some butternut squash. Do whatever works for you. Now that the rice is done, I can go ahead and pack everything up into my meal prep containers. The rice took the longest, so if you're not making rice and you're using another side as an alternative, this would not take you as long as it did me, and it only took me 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and then garnish it with some chopped peanuts and a little bit of sliced green onions, and then we are all done. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you try this out, please let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.